Okay, in this video we're gonna be making border is different on every page like this. Here is the first page. The borders are like this. Then there's the second page of the border like this. How to make it? We're gonna start from now on. Keep watching this video until it's over, guys. We make a new file, yeah. Click File. Then select New. Then select Blank Document. Well, after that, guys, make the first. His borderline on this first page. How to choose? Design. Then select Page Border. Then here select Page Border. Then here select the frame like this. It's been like this then. Replace Apply to this to be in section. Then our choice. Click then replace this one to text. Then OK. Then OK. Then the border will change. Like this page. Then for page 2. Click on the first page. Then select Layout. Then you guys can choose Break. Then select Next Page. The second page is the same as the first page. Then put the cursor here. On page 2. Then select Design. Then select Page Border. And then replace this frame or the border. Then Apply to, select this section. Then the option, Measure from, select Text. Measure from, select Text. Just OK. Well, so it's like this. This is how, guys, yeah. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget, leave a trace of friends by subscribing. Turn the bells on to get the latest updates on our videos. Thank you.